Hey coupon besties, it's your girl Blowin' Coupons and I'm back with the hottest Walmart cashback deals. For May 10th through May 16th, these are the deals you can stack with Walmart Cash, Ibotta rebates, Fetch rewards, and cashback apps so you can get your final cost super low. And remember besties, Walmart doesn't really do traditional extra bucks like CVS. Instead, you earn Walmart Cash and cashback rebates through the Walmart app and rebate apps like Ibotta. First up, Downy Deal Alert. Buy 2 Downy products for around $7.94 total. Clip the Walmart Cash offer in the Walmart app for $5 back. Your out-of-pocket at checkout is still $7.94. But after your Walmart Cash hits your account, your final cost becomes only about $2.94 total. That's around $147 each. That is a stock-up price. Now let's talk L'Oreal Beauty. Grab a L'Oreal cosmetic item priced around $6.42. Then submit your receipt for a $5 cashback rebate through Ibotta or Walmart Cash offers. Your final cost becomes only about $142. Beauty girls, run! Haircare lovers, this OGX deal is amazing. OGX Pro Growth Shampoo and Conditioner are around $5.97 each at Walmart this week. Use cashback offers and rebates to get around $3 back per item, making your final price only about $2.97 each. That's a huge savings for premium hair care. Snack deal alert. Chomp's beef sticks are giving major couponing energy this week. Some Walmart locations have cashback offers, making them completely free after rebate. You'll pay upfront in store, then get your rebate back through Ibotta. Laundry couponers, don't skip Arm & Hammer. Certain Arm & Hammer detergents are showing cashback offers this week through Walmart Cash and Ibotta. Depending on your store pricing, your final cost can drop to around $2 to $3 after rebates. And beginner couponers, this is important. At Walmart, you must claim the Walmart Cash offer before checkout inside the Walmart app. Then scan your Walmart Pay QR code at checkout, or upload your receipt afterward to get your cash back. You can also stack Walmart Cash, Ibotta rebates, Fetch rewards, Rakuten cashback online, manufacturer coupons to lower your final cost even more. Pro couponing tip: don't focus only on your checkout total. Focus on your final cost. After cashback hits your account, that's how couponers get products for pennies or even free. Comment Walmart if you want the full printable Walmart cashback breakdown list. And follow Blowin' Coupons for daily Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Target, and rebate app deals. Follow Blowin' Coupons for more daily deals.